Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize CJ affiliate deep links in USA. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To authorize CJ affiliate deep links in the USA, start by logging into your CJ affiliate account. Once logged in, navigate to the links section from your dashboard. Next, select the deep links option. In the deep links section, choose the merchant you want to create a link for. Click on the Get Link button next to the selected merchant. You will see a pop-up with the link details. Review the product or page you want to promote. Customize any parameters if needed, like the landing page. Once the details are finalized, click the Generate Link button. Your deep link will now appear in the list. Copy the generated link to your clipboard. To ensure it's authorized, go to your account settings. Under the Account tab, look for Link Authorization. Check if your new deep link appears here. If it doesn't, you may need to request authorization from the merchant directly. Follow any specific instructions provided by the merchant for authorization. Once authorized, you can start using the deep link in your promotions. Always monitor the link's performance through your CJ dashboard. Maintain updates on the authorization status as it can change. This process helps to ensure your links are legitimate and trackable. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.